Turn up to this one. Customer said they didn't get heating or hot water, and there's a fault code EA227. Gonna reset the boiler and put it in service mode. We can hear it sounds like a washing machine in there, so we're going to whip the case off. Although the condense trap looks clear, we're going to check it out. I always remove the black tube first. And that's why I removed the black tube first. I had the bucket underneath ready to catch anything that came out. This is determined whether it's blocked down the pipework or in the trap itself. I'd say a little bit of debris got stuck in the breather tube, which stopped the trap siphoning. So once that finishes draining, we're going to whip that out and give it a good clean. I haven't really found an easy way to take these out yet, they're just a pain. So one of those is the breather hole and one's the discharge hole. You can see it's pretty dirty in there, to be fair. I'll give that a good swill out. See how many of the gas police comment on this, saying that that's going to block up the 1.5 inch sink. Just make sure you're happy that it's all clear. Next thing I'm going to do is use my syringe, and I'm going to check the pipe work by firing some water down there. You could see in here that the pipe work's clear, so it was just the trap. So now I'm going to take the test point off the flue. I'm going to pour some more water down there with the syringe. I've left the black connection hose off for now so I can watch it siphon myself to check it's not airlocking again. So that was all good to go. Black hose is going back on. These can be a bit fiddly, but plenty of lube and it will push on. Now to turn the boiler back on and see if it still sounds like a washing machine. You have to wait 3 working days for it to process, but blue light shows it's recognised the demand. That sounds a lot better, and green light means go. And that's another one done. Happy days.